I've got a repair on the van that I'm going to try today, so we're going to see how it goes. The tail light itself has a keeper back there that broke out. First thing we do is undo this, open up the door. Okay, so I need to take those screws out of there, and there's a keeper way back in the back there that I just ordered, and hopefully we can get those replaced. Okay, so now those are supposed to fit right in there. Well, I wasn't able to put power to this bulb, so that's going to have to be a future endeavor. Okay, got my clips in. Let's see how they go. There we go. There we go. Well, that's as far as we could go. Well, I would call that a 50% success rate. I got the buttons in, it's nice and secure here, but this side is not good. There's a crack in the top, so I'm gonna have to order one of those whole tail lights. Hopefully that'll take care of my bulb issue too.